You can link your Instagram or YouTube with your TikTok account to redirect your followers to your Instagram or YouTube. In this video, we will show you how you can link your Instagram and YouTube channel with your TikTok profile. Now let's check out the process. Open TikTok. Go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile. You will see Instagram and YouTube under Social. You can add any one of them as you wish. First, we are adding our Instagram account. Tap Add Instagram. Now sign in with your Instagram account. Log into your account. Now you have to allow your TikTok to access your Instagram information. Tap Allow. And your Instagram account will be added to your TikTok account. Same way if you want to add your YouTube channel. Tap Add YouTube. Sign in with your account. Again, you have to allow TikTok to access your YouTube information. Tap Allow, and your YouTube will be added to your TikTok account. Now when you go to your profile, you will check this icon. When you tap on it, it will show your Instagram and YouTube channel, and anyone can tap one of them. It will redirect it to your Instagram and redirected it to your YouTube channel as well. So guys, this is way you can link your YouTube or Instagram with TikTok profile. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.